Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. It's a shop tour today. A lot of cool stuff, man. I got some Cody Swaps you're going to love to see. A Mystic 96 Cobra. Yes, Coyote Swap. Plus a lot of other neat vehicles. So, hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date to check out Brenspeed. Watch all these dyno videos we always have. But we're not dynoing cars today. We're going to walk through the shop, see what's being built, because our inventory does change in this building every single week. It's really cool to watch. But I have Doug with me. We're going to walk around. So what we're going to start with today, Doug, we have a Bullet, 3-valve Mustang Bullet. This car is from North Dakota. It's awesome. Came in bone stock. We did the Elderbrock, our 560E. It's an intercooled supercharger. Complete turnkey kit. I am going to do another video on this car. You can watch later on what the power it makes. We did like a pre-dyno on this. About 275 real horsepower stock. We're going to be way over 400 with this kit right here. But you get 41-pound fuel injectors, cold air induction system. It's intercooled. It's awesome. We do a Kinney Bell boosted pump. Killer setup. Probably about 9 pounds of boost. We're going to walk around the shop and check out some other sweet vehicles. But I really this week want to show you this right here. Who Coyote Swaps a Mystic Cobra? This client does. I love it. Been walking through the shop this week. Some days this car is purple, some days it's green. This paint, we were talking about this, the paint, if you need to replace anything on this, it's like over $100 an ounce to fix any sort of paint damage on this car right here. But I want to go around, take a look at the engine compartment. Doug, follow me. So we're doing Gen 3. Okay, Gen 3 Coyote. We're doing 10R. So we're doing automatic, 10-speed automatic. It's just in progress right now, clearly not finished, but that's what a Cody looks like inside this Mystic Cobra right here. I think it looks awesome. This is a killer car, mainly because almost no one does it. You know, this might be the only, leave a comment if you find another one, but this might be the only Mystic Cobra around that's got a Coyote Swap, because almost no one will do that to one of these cars, but he wanted to do it. It's going to be a killer setup. Doug, let's go over here and check this out. We have a Super Snake over here, 12 GT500, 6R80 conversion. So, not the manual. We got the automatic in it. 6-speed automatic. Doug, check it out. This car on the wheels that are on it, we're not talking like race stars on here and slicks. We're talking about a sticky tire. 1020s in the quarter mile, big Kinney Bell. So basically it's a Super Snake and, you know, custom tuned 6R80 conversion. This is a very awesome setup. So he went to the track a few times with a manual. And I know a lot of GT500 clients do this. It's just so hard with a manual if you don't like race them a lot. And don't have it fully set up for drag racing to get good ETs. You know, mid 11s is kind of normal. But he's been ripping low 10s with a 6R. That's awesome. Just came in for some maintenance. Look at this. I love this. The Rockstar right here. This 18 came in today just for some stainless power long tube headers. So we have the 18 GT right here. It's a show car, clearly, by looking at it. I love it. Doug, let's go underneath. Let's go to stainless power long tubes. We did with cats, high flow cats. And it's pretty much stock car. No supercharger, which is not normal here. Almost every car in here has a blower. We did awesome stainless power long tube headers. We did high flow cats. And it's going to be an awesome setup for him. And I really like the way this car looks. I came into work today, and already when I got here, because I was a little late, the Instagram popped up with this car parked up front, and I was like really excited to see it. Got the James Bond spikes right here, Doug. What do you think about those?
Dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous. Don't drive by them. I love it. That's awesome. So we're going to look at a couple other things. Over here, you saw this in the last shop tour. We're still working on it. I want to go to the trunk, show you the Cody Swap on the 65 right here. Doug, look down in here. So right now what we're doing, and I've told you this last time, we will do a full video on this car when we're finished. It's in progress. We're working on the fuel system this week. We have the tank in, the awesome fuel setup, but I will do a full video, a full long video about this build, Gen 3, 10R. Come here. Let's look at the engine compartment. So the Gen 3's in it. Look at the inside. Nothing going on in here right now. That thing is gutted. But we will get it finished. But we do have the Coyote installed. It's not as easy as just putting this in. I mean, you have issues with the 10R and the tunnel. So we have some custom parts we installed to get the tunnel higher to make this fit. Because the engine you can get in here, but the transmission you can't. But we have all that set up. Been mocking it up, in and out, in and out. Dom's been working on that. It's looking awesome. I really, really like this car right here. And over here, look at this. 19 Bullitt Roush supercharged. So this is like the phase 1 kit. So this car came in right here. We're going to upgrade this to basically the phase 2 custom tune. Set of long tube headers. But look at this Bullitt right here. It's awesome. I love it. So this is a cool car. So anything else we want to look at, Doug? Well, how are we looking on time? Do we have time to look at anything else, or?
We got a little bit of time.
A little bit of time.
Give us a rear end for that.
All right, we're gonna look at the rear end real quick over here. Take a look. So the rear end came in. We use Mosier. See, we're in Indiana. We use Mosier for most of our rear end builds. Dom's been over here today working on the rear end for the 65, welding some brackets. But Mosier's an awesome company. They're really quick. You know, you can go to Mosier Engineering in Indiana. You can ship them a rear end, and they have like a 48-hour turnaround. Almost no one has that. So that's a killer company. But hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. It's just a very quick shop tour today. We're not going to go to the dyno cell. We're not going to watch any dyno videos. But just something I thought I'd like to show you, because I really want to show you that Mustang Cobra. That car blows my mind. Subscribe and notify us up to date. And you want something built, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's it cost to get built? F-150s, Camaros, Challengers, Mustangs. Doesn't really matter. We love it. Thanks for watching.